Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at this very nice smashed up box and what's inside of it, and then we will do separate videos on what's in here. But yeah, take a look at this. This box is pretty crushed up. Thank you UPS for what you do for all of us collectors. Without you, I don't think we would ever have crushed boxes like this. Uh-oh, I got a visitor coming. Well, at least the peanuts seem to have captured everything. Let me grab this real quick. Alright, let's see what we got. So this actually doesn't look too bad. Hopefully nothing got damaged. So we got an Indy 500 truck. This is supposedly the 2019 releases. Here's the other one. So those two are very important. I don't remember how many of these I got, but I had to pick up a 2019. We'll do separate videos on the Indies. And here's where all the magic is gonna happen. So we have Busted Knuckles. Hot Pursuit 31. We got Hollywood 24. So we have La Caria Panamericana. They probably just butchered that. Nope. Oh, and I forgot about this. Another 2019 Silverado. So that's going to be for the Indy. What is that? The Indianapolis Motor Speedway. So we're going to do one video to kind of show that off. Okay. I know there's a box. I can feel it. So what do we got here? We got Tokyo Torque Series 6. We're at, what, 5 cases so far? And we got more. We got, what do we got here? We got Anniversary Collection Series number 8. Nope. And then we should have, so we got 6 cases, we should have 1 or 2 more. We got Black Bandits 21. Okay, and we got 1 more case. And then I'll double check to make sure that's everything. And we got All Terrain Series number 8. We're gonna go and make these videos really quickly. Let me just double check that that is everything. I'm sorry, but this is very satisfying. So, I got, okay. Alright, so I checked that, that's everything. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases. we're gonna go and push out 8 videos within the next few days. It's gonna be epic, okay? So please stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, give me a like. That way I know you are on board for these reviews. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.